In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to complete the change securely. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to your Wise account and that you can access the email address linked to it. Wise uses that email to confirm sensitive updates like your phone number. Start on the Wise website and look to the top right of the screen. Click your name there. This opens your account menu, which is where you'll find settings that relate to your profile and security. From that menu, go to Personal Details. This section holds your key information, including your name, address, and contact info. It's the right place to manage the phone number Wise uses for notifications and security checks. On the Personal Details page, you'll see your current phone number listed. Click on it to change it. Wise handles this change carefully to protect your account, so you won't usually type a new number directly on this page. Instead, clicking your phone number triggers a secure confirmation process. An email will be sent to the address linked to your account, and you'll need to follow the instructions in that message to complete the update. Now, open your email inbox and look for the message from Wise. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment, then check your spam or junk folder just in case. Make sure you're checking the inbox for the exact email address connected to your Wise account. When the message arrives, open it and follow the guidance provided. The email will contain a secure link or prompt that walks you through the rest of the process. This step ensures that only the rightful account holder can change the phone number. After you follow the instructions in the email and finish the process there, you're all set. You can return to the Personal Details section in your Wise account to confirm that the updated phone number now appears. If it does, the change has gone through successfully. If you don't see the update, refresh the page and double-check that you completed every step in the email. That's all. You've just changed your phone number on Wise using the built-in security flow. Keep your new number active and accessible, since Wise may use it for important alerts and verification codes. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any part of the video while you make the change yourself.